Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic. Yeah, people. So Shaneil Muir did an interview with Rap Fest. Have some of the highlights for you, right? Very nice interview. Shaneil Muir give us some insight, some things we never hear she talk about yet, and she get real personal. And she dey real passionate about what she has say. So I have them there for sure, no? Right? So welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. Now the first question that the interviewer asked Shaneil Muir, she asked her about mental health and how she cope, keeping her head steady through the whole stardom and the pandemic thing. And this was her answer.
As an artist, it's everything to stay grounded. It is everything to protect your peace. It's everything to protect your surroundings. It's everything to protect your energy. Once that is messed with, once that is played with, you lose focus, you lose creativity, you lose yourself, you lose your grounds. And we don't want that. You understand? So as an artist, I know this because now your life is not your life anymore. It doesn't belong to you solely. Now you're sharing it with people who support your music as an artist, who support your work and who support you, because they, at this point, they want to know your music, but just as how they love your music, they're going to want to know your personality as well. And that means they're going to want to dip into your personal part of your life, which is a part of your personality. You get what I say? So you have to protect that by implementing standards and boundaries for yourself as an artist, and stay within those boundaries so you don't get hurt at the end of the day, because this has a lot to do. Your energy has a lot to do with your partner, your family members, your mother, father, your kids if you have kids. So it's about creating that grounds for yourself and staying within there so you can protect your peace, protect your energy, and protect yourself and your well-being and your mental health in the same frame.
Yes, and I think that's super important.
So when you hear what Shaneil Muir says, she has said being an artist, it's not about her alone. Fans want to get involved, people want to find out what go on with your life and thing, and you have to stay firm and stay focused and know if you make them think they not get to you. Now the second question the interviewer asks is piggybacking off of the first question. So she asked Shaneil Muir about herself directly. Now she asks Shaneil Muir about her supporters, if she have any advice for her supporters, and this is her answer.
Yes, absolutely. It depends on the extent of where they're struggling, because if it's to an extent where you need professional help, definitely I'm gonna urge a person to get that. If it's at a point where you need help, do that. But if it's not, and it's something that that if you take the time out to monitor, that you can control and you can take care of it, I do urge you to do that as well. For me as a person, whenever I get into that phase, I take time to myself. If I need to remove all my Instagram pictures and shut down my Instagram and go and go take care of myself over one corner over there so till my good again I'm gonna come back, absolutely I will do so.
That's
so
good.
Protect your peace, and it doesn't matter what it takes. Protect your peace. Don't let people drain your energy. Don't let anybody, your mother, your father, your uncle, your boyfriend, your daughter, it doesn't matter who they are. Protect your peace, because at the end of the day, just as how your fans are looking up to you to create something for them, your family and everybody who looks up to you are looking forward for you to be able to assist whatever way they need assistance. Because at the end of the day, you're doing music as an artist, but then money comes with it because there's a business perspective, a business side to music. So protect yourself in whatever way you can do it. Calm down, stop for a minute. If you think you're moving too fast, just slow down for a second. Find your grounds, find yourself, and then you get up back and you go on again. Listen to me. It's not going to be an easy road, especially if you're thriving to be an artist. It's not going to be easy. You just need to know the people that are around you. Learn the people that are around you, because a lot of them mean you good when they really don't. So you have to know your grounds, know your surroundings, know your atmosphere, and keep it pure. And you, of all person, you have to make sure that you are pure. You have to make sure that you have a pure and clean heart wherever you go. Cause trust me, if your heart not clean, you're not gonna reach anywhere, because you're gonna sit there and look at other people's blessings You're gonna look at other people's things that they're earning and everything, and then you go gut up in your feelings and feel like you go stuck right which party which party there. So listen to me, just work towards your dreams and be very determined and be consistent as well. And don't left out God out of nothing, because listen to me, with God you
Yeah,
can do anything. So not left him out of anything right there.
So the main takeaway from all of that is that if you need mental help, if your thing gone far, you really are go through something where just take more than entertainment. You can watching some video or even hearing a person like Shaneil Muir speak, or you know, you need to seek help, go seek that. That's what she's saying. So the other thing is just if you need to take a little breeze now, if you're not that bad and you need to delete your Instagram for a little while or delete the picture them, archive them, whatever, for a little while and breeze, which we see a lot of artists do that all the time. You see what me I say? She has said do that too. But in the next part now, people, this is the part where I love because Shaneil Muir talk about album and she talk about, studying dancehall and the history of the music. Cause you say you can't, she don't want to make the same mistake where they're making a history already, and also you can't know where you're going if you don't know where you're coming from. So I love that part of what she talk about. You see me? So I'm gonna make the interviewer ask the question and then she answered.
we are coming to a close because I know you're a busy lady. So
Yes.
I have to ask, 2021, this is a new year. So I got two more questions for you. First one is, what are some goals that you have for for 2021 as an artist? And then the last question is, if you could leave the listeners and viewers with one thing to remember about you, what would it be and why?
Okay. So the first one.
2021 goals.
So 2021 goals. Firstly, as an artist for this year, I want to learn as much as I can about the past of the music that I'm doing right now. Because they say if you don't know your history, you're doomed to repeat it. But I want to know so much. I want to study my history in dancehall music, reggae music, and whatever genre I'm going to be doing. So I want to know what I'm doing, where it's coming from, and where I can take it to. And I also have another goal with my music. I want to complete my album this year.
Okay.
So yes, and I will be completing my album this year. So yes, that's one of my other main goals. One thing I want to leave with everybody as an artist for myself. I want to leave about me. I am real to my fans. I have been real to my fans, and I will always be real to my fans. Yes. Realness, boy. We not hype. We not sit down, or we not sit down and think about certain kind of things and live a certain kind of lifestyle because we want to look good. This is always gonna be a Shaneil Muir. I'm always gonna be real with you. I don't need to be real with me too because I have to support the thing, and so it's there. So one and watch the other. Right, so that me I leave with them. Right up my syrup fest and that.
Yes, thank you so much, Shaneil. This was so much fun. I love chatting with you. This live is gonna post. It should post right to our page afterwards. So in case anyone missed it, and yeah, thank y'all so much for tuning in.
Thank you so much for having me, Rapist. I really appreciate it. Thanks for considering me and giving me your platform to even, vibe with you yourself and also the fans and everybody who's watching. Thank you so much for the opportunity.
You're welcome. Take care.
Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, people. So me just think that Shaneil Muir is an inspiration and a lot of artists should take a page out of her book. For somebody who just forward on the scene, she's well polite, she had do interview, she not take on to where she see a go on already. Cause I remember say artists them were there a long time, they not do interview, And I can understand also why they don't. But she had blaze her own trail and she had cut her own path and I do her own thing. And shout out to Rap Fest for the interview as well. Now you can go on Instagram and watch the full interview on the Rap Fest page, right? So big them up, big up Shaneil Muir. People, we're going to leave it there. So if it's your first time on the channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you. Everybody stay safe I'm out.
Extra.
It's the one not to miss, the one everyone's talking about. So make sure you get your tickets now for Alkaline Live.
Land, Tampa, Florida, February 20. I'm gonna be there.
Alkaline Live in concert, Saturday, February 20th, along with Insidious, Ayara, and many more. Saturday, February 20th at the SD Lawn, 5317 North Walkenburg Road, Tampa. Advance tickets at $50. Purchase your tickets now at Eventbrite.com. It's your last few days to get advance tickets and cabanas for Alkaline Live in concert.
After all.
Insidious, Ayara, and more artists. This event is officially sponsored by SecoClarkLawGroup.com. For more info, call 407-749-8064 or 407-803-1212. Saturday, February 20th. Don't miss Alkaline Live in concert.
Man, shell me the goddamn boy. That's where everybody at the champion boy. We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yadi.